Hello everyone, I'm sure you want to work from anywhere. Top 5 high-paying online jobs you should know about is what I'm talking to you about in this video. Number 1 of them is data scientist. Remote data scientists remain among the most lucrative online roles, especially with AI and analytics in demand. In the US, remote data scientists average around $132,000 per year, with top listings reaching up to $143,000 per year. With expertise in Python, R, SQL, machine learning, and statistical modeling, this role offers deep insights and remote freedom. The next one is AI, machine learning engineer, and prompt engineer. AI-centric roles are rapidly rising. AI machine learning engineers can earn between $150,000 to over $180,000 per year, depending on expertise. A newer, equally high potential niche is AI prompt engineering, crafting optimized inputs for systems like ChatGPT. Salaries can range from $100,000 to $300,000 per year, with anecdotal earnings of over $15,000 per month for freelancers. Number 3 is software developer or architect. Remote software development continues to pay handsomely. Salaries range from $100,000 to $200,000 plus, depending on specialization, such as full stack, AI, blockchain, or software architecture. Software architects alone can earn between $204,000 and $328,000 per year. Now, number 4 is cybersecurity specialist or analyst. With growing cyber threats comes soaring demand for remote cybersecurity experts. Salaries span $120,000 to $200,000 per year for skilled professionals, including ethical hackers and analysts. Entry-level analysts can still command strong pay, typically between $85,000 to $140,000 per year. Number 5 is remote product manager or digital marketing director. Leadership and marketing roles have also embraced remote work and high salaries. Digital marketing directors, they earn about $170,000 to $217,000 per year. Product managers usually command $100,000 to over $150,000 per year, depending on sector and experience. Now, here are some tips to land and thrive in these roles. Number 1, specialize in a high-demand niche, e.g., AI cloud, ML, security. Number 2, build a strong portfolio, especially for roles like prompt engineering, design, or development. Number 3, use premium job platforms, tech and leadership roles, the ladders, flex jobs, remote specific boards, etc. Then AI opportunities, reach out to prompt marketplaces and AI developer platforms. Number 4, upskill and get certified. PMP for managers, AWS, GCP for cloud, CISSP for security. All these are certificates and skills, additional skills you can learn that can help you to earn more. Then number 5, network in relevant communities, niche forums, LinkedIn, and remote job groups. These 5 roles are not only high-paying, but also inherently remote friendly, ideal for anyone chasing location freedom, whether for travel, lifestyle, or flexibility. Let me know if you like a deep dive, if you want a deep dive into any specific role, salary trends per region, or how to make the leap. So this is all I am going to tell you in this video. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video for family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. So, do you want to work from anywhere? These are the top 5 high-paying online jobs you should know about. Please, this video popping up by the side from my channel right now is the next one you need to watch. Go ahead and watch it. I'll see you in the next